So as I mentioned, these are different ways. Now, if someone is an ISKCON and he follows this verse of Seva Sadhaka Rupena, and he actually comes to the level of Asakti and Bhava, then, although at present we may not see anyone is giving the Siddha Pranali in ISKCON, but Krishna will make some arrangement for some Shikshak Guru to be there, or some maybe Guru in ISKCON. You can't say, that's Krishna's will. In other words, when you must have heard the term, when the Guru is always there, and when the disciple is ready, he finds his Guru. It's not that someone's looking for a Guru and there's no Guru. Gurus are already there. So many Gurus are there. Of different adhikaras. Uttamadhikari Guru, there's Madhyamadhikari, and there's different levels, Madhyam, Uttam, Madhyam, Uttam, Kanishta, Uttam, Uttam. There's 5, 7 different kinds of Mahabhagavats mentioned in the Sandarbhas by Jiva Goswami. And you read the Brihad Bhagavatamrita, there's so many hierarchies of devotees, so many levels of pure devotees, different types of devotees. Same thing with Gurus. When one is properly qualified, then he will receive his proper connection and proper initiation. And Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati and Srila Prabhupada, they emphasize what they consider to be the traditional method given by Rupa Goswami, that the Seva Sadhaka Rupena Siddharupena Chaturhi, that they will, one develops his attachment by practicing under Guru, then gradually he starts mentally and getting engaged, his mind, he starts thinking like this and desiring like that, to have a suitable body to serve the eternal associates in Vrindavan, and then the Guru will make arrangement to give that initiation, or he'll be guided to some proper person to do that function. It's all adjusted by the Supreme Lord. There's some commentaries in Krishna Karnamrita and other places about the other ways of receiving Siddhadeha, which I mentioned, other than just directly receiving from Guru. It's not the only way.